Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some products that I was sent from a black owned business. I'm going to insert a clip of the unboxing portion so you guys can see how the package comes. These are from KimSheBars. Her information in the description box below where you can find all these products, but I'm going to be trying out some of these products. So what's really nice about these products, they're all homemade and they're tailored for your skin. So she makes all of these items custom, and then when you order it, she gives you a thank you card personalized to you. Mine says, tailored for your skin, thank you Kezia. May our products bring you joy. You can connect with her through Facebook and also Instagram. It comes with a little pamphlet, so it also tells you all the prices of everything. So if you want to take a screenshot of that, you can do that right now. So they do ship within Canada and US. Worldwide shipping is coming soon, you guys. So all these products are handmade and packed with care. She has a website, it's www.kimshebars.ca, and Facebook and Instagram. What's the first thing that I want to open? I want to see the dry coffee scrub. So this is the dry coffee scrub. I believe this is a package that you can order, so if you want to get all of these things, you can order them all together. So this dry coffee scrub is $13. It reduces the appearance of cellulite, reduces puffiness, exfoliates dead skin cells, giving your skin a youthful and radiant glow. Not for your face. The direction says apply to the body in the shower, in the bath, gently with gentle circular motions. And do not eat this. Ooh. This smells so good. Look at that, you guys. It smells like a nice cappuccino. So good. I cannot wait to try that. I have a few different scrubs, so we'll go through those first. I have the turmeric and citrus scrub. So let's see here. The turmeric and citrus scrub is $12. That's what it looks like. How cute is the packaging? Super cute. It fades scars and it brightens dark bikini lines and dark underarms and under breast. Thighs, reduce hyperpigmentation. This is not for your face. You can use it everywhere else. And of course it has instructions on the side. This is definitely giving you citrus vibes. It is a bit on the runny side, so I don't want to like spill it out. You guys see? Yeah, I smell lemon, smell lime. I can smell maybe a bit of turmeric, but turmeric itself doesn't really have much of a scent. But this is amazing. I'm so interested in trying this one in particular. 2 scrubs. Ooh, we can try this. So this body butter, let me see here, $12. Both chamomile and lavender are known to reduce redness and irritation on the skin. Chamomile soothes an inflamed skin, and lavender is great for soothing the itch and irritation associated with eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. So that's really good. I just suffer from dry skin. So that's the body butter. It's a very mild scent. It's not overbearing. And you know, I just happened to be ashy today. What else is new? I was looking at one of my other videos and I was so ashy in my elbows and I was like, oh my god, you guys, I cannot deal with life. Like look, it's curing the ashy elbows, you guys. That feels really nice on the skin. Look how nicely glistened that is. And it's really absorbing nicely into my skin. I also have really ashy hands. I'm gonna save the other hand. Oh, look at that. Look at the difference. Wow, I'm embarrassed that I'm even coming on camera looking like that, like a hot mess. Like that is so nice, and I love how it absorbs and it doesn't feel like really oily on the skin, and these are all natural products. So the other one that I have here is the lavender pocket butter. So this is good for travel size. This is travel size. Look at that labeling. It's so cute. And I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. I don't know if it's Shay or She. Wow, that's really cheap, you guys. So the pocket butter is going for $4 Canadian. So this is healing, moisturizing, vegan butter that you can easily carry around in your handbag or jacket to moisturize your hands and any area of the body. Also available in 6 ounces. So this is the 2 ounce. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be keeping this in my purse. Yeah, it's such a nice mild scent, and this one does look a little bit like on the purple side, so it is like a little lavender color, which is really nice. So I'm gonna try this one out on my other hand. I love these butters. It's so good. Ashy elbow. Let's take care of that right away. Yeah, and a little bit goes a long way. Like, you don't need a lot. I'm just dabbing like the smallest amount. Take care of these ashy fingers. For once, I'm not gonna be ashy on the camera. Love the smell of this. It's so mild and light. And then I have a sweet rose. It's not overwhelming or overbearing. I love that. That's such a good deal. Like, just the packaging alone would cost more than that. It's really nice products. Feels amazing on my skin. And then I have Apple Crisp Lip Balm. I don't see the price on here for the lip balm. And it has a little tear label, so it's sealed. Super nice. I would try that on, but I have on lip gloss. And then, oh my god, you guys, I have 2 bars of soap. And you can see her name on the inside. That's so cute. Ooh, and then this one here, the Wild Rose hand soap, has actual rose pieces on the top, dried rose. The Wild Rose soap is $10.80, and then the Milk and Honey Moisturizing soap is $9. It's so pretty. Look at the top. It has oatmeal on there, and it has like some honeycomb looking design. Like, experience a gentle exfoliation with real oats. This soap will leave you smelling wonderful and your skin feeling soft and supple. Ooh, I like that. I'm sold on that. Oh wow. This smells like, what does it smell like? It smells like vanilla, honey, oatmeal, like spices. I'm definitely gonna be using that. Look how beautiful it is too. So nice. I'm not gonna open this one because I think I want to save it. If you guys are in Canada, definitely check her out. Super fast shipping. She's the sweetest, cutest thing. So thank you so much for reaching out to me. I really do appreciate it. And I think your products are amazing. I know I'm gonna love them. If you guys are a small business and you would love to work with me, you know, possibly like do a video like this, definitely reach out to me. All of my information will be also in the description box, and I'd love to do more videos like this. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video and this type of content, let me know so I can continue to bring this sort of content to you guys. Until next time, guys, bye.